Hello, I Dr. Tanushri Banerjee of Dr. D.Y. Patil Biotechnology and Bioinformatics Institute, Pune, is presenting the prototype for virtual classroom for a modern teaching and learning experience. The current situation of COVID-19 has focalized the significance of online teaching in the education sector. Various online teaching platforms are being widely used for promoting online teaching. However, the online class experiences are far from the physical classroom experience. It has become very difficult for a teacher to create an experience that provides the same features that a physical classroom does. There is an urgent need to develop virtual classrooms which can closely mimic the experience of a physical classroom. In the remote learning environment, a teacher requires technology solution that will meet the following requirement. The teacher should always be visible to the students. The content of the lecture should always be visible to the student while the teacher is conducting the session. At times, the only way to explain certain concepts is to write them on a board. Therefore, a whiteboard should be constantly available to the teacher. To make the teaching learning experience fruitful, the student should always simultaneously be able to see the presentation, the whiteboard, and the teacher. The technologies that are available today for online teaching sessions have certain limitations. If the teacher needs to be seen, they will have to constantly sit in front of the webcam. If the teacher is sharing a presentation, they are no longer visible to the student in the main screen. The teacher is not able to explain the topics on whiteboard without having to lose the ability to have the main course content available and has to switch between the two. Most importantly, the students lose their attentiveness as they are not able to see their teacher and teaching content simultaneously. The solution being proposed here aims to rectify the above problems by creating a value proposition that promises to deliver physical classroom experience where students can simultaneously watch the lecture on PowerPoint presentation, whiteboard illustrations, as well as the teacher. Build an environment suitable for formative assessments and discussion. The rationale for proposing this solution is it recognizes that most teachers are able to deliver their best efforts when they can write on a whiteboard, scroll through their presentations, and are able to discuss with their students details of the class. The solution being proposed here has been coined the name Teacher Pod, which utilizes the currently available technology for building a physical environment that can be installed at home, office, school, where the teacher can conduct online classes and meet the requirements for a good teaching experience. We present here the prototype for TeacherPod, built at home using easily available items like whiteboard, computer screen, chair, webcam. Whiteboard is fixed to the wall and the projection screen is hung with the help of a rope at 135-degree angle to the board. The online teaching platform, as you can see, is open on the PC, where students can simultaneously see both whiteboard as well as projection screen. Teacher can stand in front of the whiteboard and can write on the board as well as the projection screen is available to the teacher. Hence, both whiteboard and projection screen is continuously available to students as well as to the teacher. The webcam and the projector has been placed strategically. The projector's field of vision will match the width of the projection screen, and the webcam's field of vision will have both whiteboard and projector screen in view. Teacher standing in front of the whiteboard is therefore also available in the view. This is just a working prototype of virtual classroom called the Teacher Pod. The ambient and focused lighting problems have yet not been solved. In the final product, the pod will be lit with ambient lighting so that the visibility is at its best. Also, focused lighting will be provided for the whiteboard so that it is visible very clearly and with the same brightness as the projector screen. The content of the teacher pod are desk for computer, whiteboard, projector screen, projector stand, and webcam stand. Thank you for watching the video on working prototype of teacher pod.